Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix this Apple ID has not yet been used in the iTunes store on iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing this type issue on your iPhone or iPad screen that your Apple ID cannot be used with the iTunes store, so let's see how can you easily fix the issue. So now to fix that, very first you can try to refresh your network. And after that, you have a simple setting. So very first, we're going to try to refresh our network setting here. You have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back, open your setting here, go for general here, go for VPN and device management. And you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you find a connected VPN here, try to disconnect with that. Then go back from here and you have to go for screen time settings. Go for content and privacy restrictions and disable all the restrictions from here, and after that go back and here you have to go for general here, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode, then select reset network setting. From the confirmation message pop-up, it will reset all of your network settings. It will not delete your data, so you can easily try this. And after doing that, you just have to go back, go for date and time, and enable this toggle to set your date and time automatically. Then select language and region option, select region and select your own region in which you're living. And after doing that, go back, open your app store here. Very first, you have to retry or recheck if your issue is fixed or not. Or if it's still not fixed, you just have to tap on your profile option in the top right corner. Select your Apple ID or your account here. Verify yourself using your Face ID or Apple ID password here. And after verifying, you just have to select the country or region option from here, and then you just have to select your own country or region in which you're living or which you have just selected in your iPhone. So I'm going to select that and then tap on continue option, then tap on agree in the top right corner here, and here you have to add your payment method, then your billing address, your phone number, and then your name. If you don't have any payment method, you can also select none option, and after that add your billing address, your phone number, then name, and after that tap on done option in the top right corner and your issue will be fixed. Your payment method, your billing address will be re-updated in your Apple ID, so it will fix your issue. Or after that, if you're still facing the same issues, we just have to open your Apple Support app. You can easily install it from your App Store, or you can also use Apple Support Web. Select your iPhone from here, select the more option. Now scroll down, look for the option of iTunes Store, and here you just have to tab on get more help. Select call us. Now you will find the phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. And after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.